Do you want to transform boring scheme of learning, created with Excel, into engaging visual galleries? This is Jay. Let's go! Firstly, we need to import the spreadsheet into AirTable. You can find the Excel template for the scheme of learning in the comments. Once uploaded, AirTable will generate a grid. Now we need to set up the columns to accommodate long text. Good job, guys. Now we need to set the last column to allow attachments, so we can add pictures. AirTable will use the pictures in the gallery, making the scheme of learning visual and engaging. Now we can start adding the pictures. One for each row. The pictures will appear in each tile of the gallery. Keep adding the pictures one by one until the last row. You can find great free images and video on Unsplash and Pexel. Now, finally we can create the gallery. We have all the information we need, so we can focus on making the scheme of learning gorgeous and easy to be consulted by our learners. Then at last, we need to set the gallery tiles to show all the information available, including attachments. Finally, we can share our scheme of learning with our learners by generating the link from AirTable and sending it to them by email or using a chat service. AirTable can also be embedded in Teams or in a website. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more and share with your colleagues. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.